Hey. Oh, no. No, no, no. I'm just enjoying the wind. Well, yes. It is really nice. It makes me want to sprout my wings. Huh? It was just a metaphor. What do you think I am? An angel? A dragon? Oh, hold on a second. Yeah, I'm just texting my friend. Hold on. Send. The wind is restless. I can tell. Hmm? Why is the wind restless? Um, I guess it's such a beautiful day today that, well, the wind is blowing so hard because it's happy. I mean, how should I know? I'm no wind expert. We should go inside before it gets too much. Let's go. Much better. I love hearing the wind howl from in here. So nice. Hmm? Oh, how do I know the wind so much? Well, if you really want the truth, it's because I feel like it's a part of me. I can tell when the wind is mad or when it's happy. What am I? I'm, I'm a sylph. You know, a wind fairy? Yeah, I, I am a wind fairy. But, I'm still new to, this whole thing. I'm sorry I lied to you. I just wanted to know what it would feel like to be human. But whenever there's a windy day, I feel like I could just take to the air and enjoy it. Like it was calling out to me. Huh? Oh, wait. Huh? I just used the wind to dry your tears. Look, I'm really sorry for lying to you. Please don't cry. Wait, you were crying because you were happy? Oh, Really? That's really sweet of you, but really, you didn't have to cry. Yeah. Yeah. I love you too. Okay, I promise. No more secrets from now on. As long as you do the same, okay? Yeah, you always like getting kisses from me. Say, do you feel like playing Minecraft? Yeah. Okay. I can't wait to show you this new house I made. You'll love it.